So this guy, Paul, stopped launching new products 4 years ago so he could focus on just one thing. So basically, he is teaching high-level YouTube video training, and I can see how much he's learned. Stuff that not only I don't know, but also my mentor doesn't know as well. Hey everyone, Ryan Nilsson here. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. Today I'm here to tell you about a product that just launched a couple of days ago called Tube Hero. And this launch comes to an end next week, so let's go ahead and cut to the chase. At any time during this review of Tube Hero, if you'd like to go ahead and check it out further and get to the sales page, click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly to my bonus page here, and then you keep moving forward. So are you looking for a way to get free traffic, build authority, and build a real online business? Well, this brand new masterclass reveals the exact methods Paul has been quietly using to generate massive free traffic and build overnight authority in any niche using the power of YouTube. So what is YouTube Hero all about? If you're tired of the hype and looking to create a legitimate online business, you're in the right place. This is a step-by-step masterclass where Paul takes you from beginner to expert practically overnight. He shows you everything you need to get your YouTube channel off the ground. This entire masterclass is loaded with training that is current and proven to work right now. No stones are left unturned. This is truly a complete masterclass for becoming a YouTube channel creation expert. You don't need any special video equipment to do this. Paul will show you how to get started today, even if you've never made a video in your entire life. He has a step-by-step, quick start training included. You will get access to done-for-you resources and cheat sheets so you can quickly create authority, even if you're just starting out online. If you're tired of fighting for quality traffic, this may be the best way to get all of the free traffic that you need quickly and easily. This is a real masterclass designed to take you by the hand and show you how to create a YouTube channel that gets lasting results. This is not a loophole. This is not a quick cash method. This masterclass has been created to give you the tools needed to build a legitimate long-term online business. So here are the prices it upsells. Front end for Tube Hero is only $12.95. Okay? Paul's masterclass gives you everything you need to start your own successful YouTube channel as soon as today. So inside of this has 9 videos, and when you decide to get your copy of Tube Hero, which is an amazing deal, all you have to do is click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you directly to my bonus page. You can click on any of the yellow buttons. It'll take you directly to the sales page, and it looks like this, okay? And when you decide to purchase, you're going to have a way to do that. Once you get through some of all of the things, he wants to tell you a story, he wants to show you all the massive results he's had and the things that he's doing over the last 4 years. I don't blame him. He spent a lot of time on this, and you can go ahead and go through the sales video and look at all the things he's got here, all the information, and there's going to be a button to get started right there. And then what it's going to look like, since I bought his product, here's what it'll take you. This is where you get to download all the main course info. There are 9 videos, and I'm showing you them all here. Alright? Not very many people are talking about this, and I wanted to make sure everybody knew about it because I think this is fantastic. For what you get in this inside of Tube Hero is fantastic. He's also going to give you opportunity to get his upgrades, and I'll show you what those are in a minute. He's also got bonuses, which I'm going to tell you about along with my bonuses. So let's go back over to my bonus page and go into the upgrades. Upgrade number 1 is Advanced Traffic Strategies. Okay, this upgrade. In this upgrade, you get 3 extra strategies, which shows you how to be more successful when building your channel. This is a must-have and will help you to get more traffic and also save you a lot of work and time when you see what we cover. He has some really high quality strategies and I've not even heard before now. Upgrade number 2, tube income methods. This upgrade, you get 3 different extra models you can use to pull in more income from your YouTube channel. These 3 additional money-making methods are very effective and produces proven results. Again, once you pick up the front end, you'll be able to see his video on all these upgrades in more detail. I'm just giving you high-level stuff here to what to expect. Upgrade number 3 is super affiliate training. This will show you his exact super affiliate model that Paul uses with YouTube, which has generated him hundreds of thousands of dollars with free traffic. In this super affiliate training, Paul teaches you the exact formula he uses to promote and sell his own product, as well as affiliate offers online without massive amounts of traffic. And then lastly, upgrade 4 is a prime opportunity to get personal one-on-one VIP coaching from Paul. You can work with Paul personally over 4 weeks, where he will help you to start your channel and build everything out, plus check everything for you. He's going to show you exactly the best way to do things and how to maintain your channel moving forward. Such a great opportunity. He's only going to have limited spots, so be sure to check that out. But I encourage you, when you decide to get this, go ahead and go through the training, the 9 videos, and before you even check out the upgrades. I think you need to get educated on what he has already before you can make decisions on whether you want to get in any of the advanced trainings, which I highly recommend, because I know you're going to really love it, and it's going to give you an edge over so many other YouTube marketers. It's not even funny. So these are the basic benefits that you'll be getting. Even a complete newbie can get started on YouTube as an affiliate marketer. There is no monthly fee, and the price is highly discounted when you get this. This works in any niche. He has step-by-step video training, quick start guide, video creation template, real-life case study, and his bonuses, which we'll get to soon. But before we get to the bonuses, I want to let you know that all of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. So bonus number 1 for me is the no list secret. This is where Ashley is going to show you a method that works every single time and creates income on autopilot. Bonus number 2 is YouTube authority. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel for your business or brand. Bonus number 3 is the lockdown formula. Inside of Dawud Islam's lockdown formula, you're going to learn how to make fast money online using affiliate marketing, how to find affiliate offers and get approved, how to create a squeeze page with 3 different money-making methods, 3 exclusive bonuses, and it also includes unadvertised bonuses in 13 different super affiliate marketers. So I've got 16 bonuses with this product right here, folks. I think I've underestimated myself with this one. Bonus number 4 is 5-figure freedom, a favorite to a lot of people, so I keep putting this out there so these newbies can get a hold of it themselves. This is by Justin Spesser. He's all about helping you create your own product, create your own sales letter, and develop a successful solo ads business. Inside of 5-figure freedom, you're not only going to get what I just told you, but you're also going to learn how to set up a squeeze page, learn how to use Facebook groups to drive free traffic. You'll learn about link tracking, and you're also going to get 6 free bonuses in addition to everything else I told you. And then lastly, but most importantly, the vendor bonuses. And Paul has got some really cool bonuses. And so again, once you decide that you want to go ahead and look into this, click the link in the description below this video, take you directly to this bonus page. Click on any of the yellow buttons, it'll take you directly to the sales page. And I'm here now on the sales page to show you the bonuses. Bonus number 1 is another case study. Now, inside of the product, he has 9 videos of training, and he has a small case study, but this one's even better. And he's going to give you a lot more information with that bonus. Bonus number 2 is his secret method for more free traffic with YouTube channels. Bonus number 3 is how he used this method to get featured on one of the biggest pages online. So all you have to do is click the link in the description below this video, take you directly to my bonus page, and click on any of the yellow buttons, and then click on the red button, and you can get started now. I've already told you what it looks like on the inside, and if you have any comments, if you want to like this video, I would much appreciate it. If you want to hear more about my upcoming digital product reviews and trainings, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. And inside, once you decide to purchase, inside of your Warrior Plus account, you will have access to your purchase with the green button. And then to get all of my bonuses, just click the Access Affiliate Bonuses blue button, and that'll take you directly to the link to all of my bonuses. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch my review of Tube Hero. Once again, make it a great day.